Your reflection in my wine glass. That's when I look away.
What's up, everybody? This is Travis from DIY Auto, and this is Ish, and we're going to be showing you how to install cold air intake in my 2006 Acura TL. Alright, so first what you're going to do is take off the plastics here and these clips, and then you're going to want to come under the fender and you're going to want to take these two plastic clips off, and there's going to be a hidden screw that you're going to have to take off as well.
Can't stand and think about losing your fine ass. How the fuck I let you slip away? Life for the party, but I'm dead inside. Kill my vibes, it was genocide. Hard to act like I've been alive. I'm trying to find where I identify. One time for the girl that got away. 2 times for the bub I'm about to spray. 3 times for the power that I pray to. Are you up there? Can you hear me? I know I fucked up. It's clear, see. I'm 22, but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose.
Alright, now that you have those off, you're going to want to pull up these clips, and you're going to want to pull up these tabs as well on each side. Alright, so now that we're under the car, you're going to have to take all of these outside bolts out. And then those two under here. Take those out too.
Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface, but I knew that you were worth it. Yeah, so I was patient. I bragged to my niggas, Joe name it. I'm still with the niggas that I came with, but everything changed once some fame hit.
Alright, now that you have all those bolts out, your bumpers come off pretty easily. You just got to give it a little bit of force.
Make it up, take you down, have a shot.
Alright, next you're going to start taking out all of these plugs.
I bought around, play my songs, you like the sound. It's going down, it's going down. Let's drink coffee, watch passerbys, and prove to you I'm not the average guy. It's just my flaws that they magnify, and when it's real you don't have to try. Was another way, tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away, sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way, tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away, sometimes I wanna run away. Can you hear me? I know I fucked up, it's clear, see. I'm 22 but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the life's the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose. Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up. We had only scratched the surface, but I knew that you were worth it. Yeah, so I was patient. I bragged to my niggas, Joe name it. I'm still with the niggas that I came with, but everything changed once some fame hit. Make it up, take you down, have a shot. I bought around, I'll play my songs. You like the sound? It's going down. It's going down.
All right, now that you have that upper intake part out, you're gonna want to take out all of these plastic pieces here.
And when it's real, you don't have to strive. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Drugs take the pain away. Sometimes I wanna run away.
Now that you have everything out, we're gonna start connecting the cold air intake. So what you're gonna wanna do, want to get this on. It's going to be a snug fit. All right, then we got to tighten these down. And then you're going to want to connect this hose.
Can you hear me? I know I fucked up. It's clear, see. I'm 22, but I don't act like it clearly. And all this shit is a mirage. I'm just rapping for a cause. The life, the fame, the lights, the game. We break the laws, don't like to change. Wanna win you back, but I hate to lose. I know that you're the one, but it's hard to choose. Too much whiskey in my red cup. Remember first day you wouldn't give it up.
All right, now that we have everything in and everything bolted up, it's time to reassemble everything and we're done. Thank you for watching DIY Auto. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comments below what you want to see me do next.
But I knew that you were worth it, yeah. So I was patient. I bragged to my niggas, Joe, name it.